Hello YouTube, this is Upcoming Engineer 95 with Solidworks Beginner Tutorials 1-5, your first part. So today we're going to be drawing this right here. It's a pretty simple part that incorporates everything we've gone over so far. So let's get started. Well, what I'm going to do is, I know I'm going to keep it to the left. I don't know how many of you have this capability. I know SolidWorks 2010 doesn't have it. I don't know about the others. So we're going to go to File, New, Part, okay. And I'm going to put it on the right so we can go back and forth and look. Well, the first thing I would do for this part is I would draw a rectangle and extrude it to this area here, which is an inch. So I'm going to grab a rectangle. Now I do know the dimensions from here to the tip of that arc is 8 inches, and from here to here is 3 inches. So I'm going to go and do that. And from there to there is an inch. I know from this, the center point of that arc to right here is 3 inches. So that makes the rest of this from there to there 5 inches. So I'm going to go and extrude all of that. And from this line to this line is 1.25 inches. So I'm going to get that out of the way. And then I know this is 1 inch wide, and the dimensions tell me from this line to the center point of this circle is 2 inches, and then the arc here has a radius of 1.5, so 2 plus 1.5 is 3.5. So now an easy way to dimension this, if you're not good with math, you can go, you know you have to go 3.5 inches, and you already have 1.25 inches, so you can go 3.5 minus 1.25. Oops. My bad. This is where you do 3.5 minus 1.25. See where it's starting to look like the part. Now I'm going to draw this cutout, and that's a 45-degree angle. So let's do that. Now a cool thing, I don't have to draw the rest of the triangle because I'll extrude cut, and it gives us this plane that it's going to cut out. And see, right now it's pointing that way, so it'd cut everything on this side of the cutting line, but if I flip that, it will do everything on this side. Okay, there you go. Now we're going to go ahead and do some of the fillets. I know that these 4 corners right here are all 1.5, so I'll go ahead and do those first. And the two that are right here, there's one on the other side too, are 0.13 inches. That's being, oh, it's on that side, my bad. Sorry guys, not really thinking too well today. So now we're gonna do these three circles, or holes. Start here. Now, if you click on the fillet, it will give you the circle at which it started. And this circle happens to be an inch in diameter. And we'll do the same here, but the diameter is 1.5. And then there's this one right there. Oops. Sorry. Now this circle is 0.625. It is 1.5 inches away from there and 1 inch away from here. We're pretty much done. We've just got to do one more thing, and that's that little cutout there. So what I did was I sketched a triangle out right here, and it says that from this line right here is 0.375. So drop me my line. And just go straight up. Sorry about that. Now we will extrude cut. Now see, on this one it starts in the middle, and you guys are probably thinking, well, how are you going to do that? Well, we're going to do offset, and the gap between there and there is 0.875. And we'll flip the direction. There you go. And it says the distance is 1.25. Looks good. There we go. Same part. It's not too hard. Now, I've already saved this part, but I'll show you how to save it. You go up the File, Save As, save it as YouTube first part. Well, if you understand everything in this video, go on to 1-6, where we'll be using this part to make a drawing, and then from the drawings we'll be able to make more parts easier. See you guys.